Today in studio, I have Stephen and Michelle Argyris, who are the co-founders of the innovative new app, Drinkz on Me. So tell me, when did this idea first come about, and where did it come from?
Actually, this is Stephen's baby, so I'll let him tell you a little bit about that.
So actually, this idea started about, I would say, 3/4 of a year ago. And basically it was myself, Michelle, and another partner of mine, and we were sitting down one day, basically at a bar, having some drinks together. And we thought, do you know what? We had a lot of friends in different cities in Canada, so Vancouver, Montreal, Ottawa, Toronto, and we thought, how cool would it be if we could actually be able to send someone a drink virtually and they'd be able to actually redeem it at a bar. I mean, today, like, technology is advancing, and so we now basically have smartphones. I have an iPhone right here, right now. And basically, that's how that idea kind of came about. We wanted kind of to give people a way of sending someone a drink through their mobile phone.
So it's neat too because, you know, if I can't make my girlfriend's birthday, I can just basically pick up my phone, you know, say, okay, I want to send Melinda 3 drinks, and within seconds she'll receive it on her phone and she can go to the bar and just redeem it. So it's a cool way to be able to, you know, participate in someone else's, you know, birthday or function without having to physically be there.
And as well, when we're actually having drinks together, it's an experience, right? We wanted to be able to share that experience without actually being there. And so in the application itself, we try to kind of encapsulate that experience of being at the bar with someone, sharing that experience with a drink, and yeah, just basically participating in an experience that you wouldn't otherwise be able to participate in.
Well, that's really interesting because there's no other apps that I've really ever experienced that are like that out there. Can you explain to me how it works and maybe do a little demonstration?
Yeah, for sure.
Okay.
So right now, let me just get this started up here. So the way it works, so this is the home screen. So the way we designed the app, we wanted to make it as simple as possible for our users and as cool as possible, and to encapsulate that experience. So on the first page, well, you'll see that there's 5 tabs here. We have a home button, a buy drinks button, a drink bank, a friends button, and locations. So right now you're looking at the home screen. So on the home screen, it actually, you'll see there's deals that bars can post. So bars that are part of our network, they're logged onto our website. You can actually go and see the deals that are in your area downtown Toronto. So it's pretty cool. So say, for example, the beer market has a special on German beer. They'd be able to go real time and update this on the app, and our user base will be able to go in and see, you know, what special is happening, any cheap drinks or any cool events happening throughout the city. So stuff like that.
Is it pretty user friendly? Like, do you think people will?
Oh, I mean, like the way we designed it, it is pretty much as simple as possible. So the home screen buy drinks, yeah, like I'll go through it. I'll go through it with you, and you'll see how easy it is to use. So another thing on the home screen, sorry, it just blacked out there. There's a recent activities, I guess, line. So that actually shows you what birthday events are coming up, what other events other than birthdays. So this app actually connects with Facebook. And as you know, a lot of sites right now actually don't connect you through creating a new password and stuff like that. It's mostly Facebook Connect. So you're able to do that through our app, but what we want people to do is to be able to log in through Facebook. And what we do is that we actually pull in some Facebook data from you to make this experience easy for you. So what we do is we pull in all upcoming birthdays and events. If your friend has a going away party, you'll be able to see who's attending that party, and you'll be able to send a drink to that person as well. So that's all on the home screen. That's kind of like a recent activity page. It also shows you who's sent you drinks and what drinks basically you can send to others as well.
Right, so it would basically say something like, you know, Michelle sent Melinda a drink at, and then it would say which bar it was redeemed within. So there's a lot of value there to the bars.
Well, everyone is online right now, social networking. So that brings me to my last question, which I'm sure is on everyone's minds. When will this app be available in the App Store?
All right, so I'll answer that question. Right now we are finalizing some strategic partnerships from the corporate level and at the bar level. So it's kind of a moving target. It's most likely we're projected with based on our partnerships that we've made. Most likely beginning of May, end of May-ish type of cycle. So that's when we're anticipating to release the app.
Well, thank you so much, both of you, for coming in today. I know I'm really excited to download the app when it comes into the App Store.
Well, thank you for having us.